Happy Friday. Today is Friday, February 28th. Hey, girl. Welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here, I am Ursula. I am the lover of all things beauty. That is your hair, your makeup, and your fashion. And welcome to another vlog. Y'all, I have not vlogged since the weekend of Valentine's Day. Today is the last day of quote-unquote Black History Month, but guess what, y'all? I'm Black, so every day is Black History, okay? However, today we're boycotting our Black dollars. We're not purchasing anything from anywhere. I just got to work, but I am not going anywhere. I'm not buying food to eat. I'm not buying anything. I'm not going in the store. I want them to feel the wrath of the Black dollar. Now, prayerfully, everyone is participating, or even if everyone don't participate, I pray that enough participate that they will see that the Black dollar, okay, I digress. Anywho, it is the weekend, baby. I don't have anything planned, but y'all, tomorrow is March 1st. Y'all know what March is? It's my birthday month. It's like I want to celebrate. I really want to. Okay. I have not gotten dolled up in a very long time. I mean, well, I did just get dolled up, y'all, as y'all saw, to go on a date with my husband. But I mean, like with the girls, you know what I mean? Just a girls' night. That's what I'm talking about. Truth of the matter is, I don't really have friends like that no more. I'm still planning to celebrate. Now, I do. Okay, y'all. I do have some ladies that I can go grab dinner with. I do have some friends. Let me not say that. I do have some friends. But my friend circle that y'all have seen, it has changed. Things happen, life happens, and we are here now. I want to go to a nice restaurant. I want to have a nice dinner because, y'all, I want a photo op. I want to just get super cute. And, I mean, just go hang with the girls, you know, have a drink. Toast to 49 years. I know it doesn't look like it, but yes, honey, I am turning 49 March 17th. I want to go to brunch. I want to go to dinner. I'm thinking go to dinner with the girls, go to brunch with my family, or I think that's what I want to do. So I've been searching, and all these places that I see on TikTok and I see the girls on YouTube go to, they cute and all for photos. But baby, when I look at that menu, if I'm going to these places, I want a good meal and I want a photo op. I'm looking at all the different places and I just can't find anywhere. I keep going back to Bungalow because that's originally where I wanted to go. But when I looked at the menu just not all that great to me. But I love the ambiance of it. I love the way it looks. I've never been there, but I love the way it looks. So I'm leaning strongly towards Bungalow. So I want a different look. I'm a lock girl. I love my locks. I love my locks. Don't get me wrong. I love my locks. But y'all, this is the longest, other than when I had my platinum blonde fade, that I was just confined to one look. I want a different look for my birthday. I still want to keep it like in the natural lock look, you know, but just something different. I'm thinking boho 2-strand twist, but y'all, I'm praying on it. Anywho, let me pull out of this parking lot. I done sat here and talked to y'all long enough. I'm hot because you have to turn the AC down in order for y'all to hear me. So let me get my Friday started and I will talk to you all later. Y'all. It was at this moment I realized I'm hungry. Wendy's is right here. I'm not supposed to be spending money, but honey, I have to eat. So yeah. Now guess where I done pulled up to eat? You can see it right there. I have not eaten here in years, and I don't know what made me want this today. Y'all have spicy nuggets?
Yes, we have 4, 6, or 10, please.
May I have the 10-piece nuggets, please? Spicy nuggets. Let me get strawberry lemonade, please. No ice.
Your total will be $12.33.
Thank you. $12.33 at Wendy's is ludicrous. $12.33 Wendy's? Really? Oh, my lips. I need a little corn mix. $12.33. Like, everything is going up but the pay. Like, this is crazy. I had no business stopping here anyway. Just told y'all about not spending my black dollars. And here I am because I ain't have nothing to eat.
Nice.
Thank you. Y'all, I ain't had these spicy nuggets in a minute. They better hit. Wendy's, these spicy nuggets better hit for $12. Y'all, I'm finna pull over here and eat my food. Just ghetto-ish. Okay, y'all. Let me pull into a parking spot and take a taste of my spicy nuggets. I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Now, I did not realize until I started editing, y'all, this whole clip is without sound. I was giving y'all a review because I had not had Wendy's spicy nuggets in forever. And when I tell you for $12.33, those nuggets were hitting. I enjoyed every minute of it, and that strawberry lemonade just topped it off, honey. Great morning. Happy Saturday. Good morning. We are on our way. We're going to Walmart right now, but Chloe is trying out for cheer, so we go and get her white t-shirt to go with her black shorts and cheer shoes. I just wanted to drop in and say good morning. Once again, here I am. I stopped at Shipley's. Did not know until I was editing. Here is another clip with no sound. I don't know what's going on, but that's why I am so happy I have a new camera. But I think I was letting y'all know that I was getting ready to head to Best Buy to pick up my camera. But I did not know that I did not have any sound, y'all. Please forgive me. Okay, y'all, I have no idea where I'm going. The mics are back here. Okay, laptops. Where are the cameras? Oh, look at here. Here are the cameras. This is not the camera I'm looking for. Ooh, but this is the camera right here, y'all, that I want to get. I want to get this particular camera for when I'm actually just filming content. Not vlogging, but just filming content. Let me see if I can get some help. Okay, is it not anyone working in here? I don't know why I came in here. I should have just ordered online and then did store pickup, because you come into these stores and there is no one working. Excuse me. Is there someone that works over here in cameras? First of all, I'm looking for the DJI Osmo. Do y'all have it in store? Or do I need to order it online?
Is there a specific one you're looking for?
I want the 3, and I would like the creator box.
Yes. I'm talking about like this one, right?
This is the one I want right here.
Yeah.
The creator
I don't have
combo.
this one, but I have this one. I have this one without the combo, but I can check another location has it.
I wasted my time. I should have just ordered it online and had it shipped to the store. I knew that, because usually whenever I get anything from Best Buy, that's exactly what I do. I order it online and have it shipped to the store. Every time I come inside of Best Buy, especially the one by my house, they never have anything. Anyway, on to the next stop. Y'all, I ain't been here in so long. Oh my goodness. It looks so different in here. Hey y'all, it's still Saturday. I threw some shades on because I didn't feel like putting on any makeup, any type of nothing. So we are headed to a new brunch spot. Wait, turn it down. Well, it might not be new, but it's new to me because I've never been. It's a place called Batters and Brunch in Humble, Atascocita area. And y'all, it's 1:44. They close at 4 o'clock. They open at 7:30 a.m., but we couldn't get there early because Chloe is trying out for cheer. I told y'all that already. So anyway, I'm praying that they don't have a line of people and we can get in there, get serviced, eat, and we don't have any problems or any complications. I don't know if this is a black-owned spot, and I really hate to do this to my fellow black people, but y'all, sometimes we just don't do right when we have an establishment. So I'm just praying that if it's black-owned, we have a smooth first time experience. That's what I'm praying on. Where's D and Coco? Hi. Hi, D.
What's up, Mom?
Hi, Coco.
Oh, I'm doing lovely. Gonna get everybody started with something to drink.
Yes, Chloe, what would you like?
What drinks do y'all have?
Chloe, you have a menu in your hand.
We have a new hibiscus lemonade right now too.
You want, let her know what you want to drink? Right here. Can we get the mimosa craft?
No, the flight.
I mean the flight, not the craft. The flight. I've never had a pina colada mimosa, but I love pina colada. Let me try that. Which two you want? Drinking it.
Oh, I didn't know if she was drinking or not.
Yes.
Is that a grip?
Thank you. Oh, that's good.
She about to take pictures for sure.
You're sharing, right?
Ooh.
Go by that one.
And the hot honey burger.
Oh my goodness.
And we have the rest coming very shortly for y'all, okay?
Thank you. Y'all, I made a happy plate. Baby, I done ate everything. This was my first meal of the day. And I am fat full. That was good. I give it a 10 out of 10. Definitely will recommend if you are in the Houston, Humble, or Tuscaloosa area. Batters and Brunch. Some good old shrimp and grits to go. Let's go, Chloe. I'll see y'all in a few. Y'all, that brunch was good. Like I just said, I give it a 10 out of 10. Chloe, you want to tell them what you thought of it? What did you have? Come on now, talk to the people.
I got strawberry Nutella pancakes with sausage, bacon, and eggs. Mama, sausage, bacon, and eggs with macaroni.
So if you did not hear her, she's talking low. She got the strawberry pancakes with Nutella. She got sausage, bacon, eggs, and that's it, right? Oh, with a side of macaroni. And the strawberry lemonade is made fresh. And Chloe said it was good. As you saw, Coco and I split the mimosa flight. We each had 2. We tried the orange strawberry mango. Oh, y'all, that was so good. And then pina colada. I have never had a pina colada mimosa. Both were good, but the orange strawberry mango was very good. Everything that I had was delicious. I would definitely come back. Tika didn't come with us today, so now I have to come back so that I could come back with him, even though that's who I got the shrimp and grits for. Anywho, that's our review. We're headed home, so I'll talk to y'all later. If you have made it to this portion of the video, thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Join the family. And please share the video. Share the video, share the channel, share it all with everybody you know. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, tell a friend. I am so full, y'all. This was just a little short couple of days in my life. So I will see each one of you in the next video. Adios.